Alright, y'all, I'm over here on my second call today. I'm in Florida, over here on St. Pete, close to the beach. It's about good 55 degrees outside. Now, I came here because this was a regular install, and my installer had a problem. My co-workers had a little problem hooking this wiring up for this unit. Now, this particular unit is a gas straight cool, but this takes two transformers. So let me show you. Alright guys, this is the inside part of this unit. As you see, there's a transformer right there. This is the transformer I hooked up for the cool mode. This is a straight cool. Let me show you what I did. Alright, obviously you know that's your transformer. Hooked up the high voltage going down to my transformer right under here. Alright, I got my other high voltage, which is the white wire you see there, which is hooked up too for 240 volts going for my transformer. This is my low voltage wiring. Okay, so I took this low voltage wiring and I put in a 5 amp just in case a short happens. I don't waste a good transformer. Okay, so what I did is I tied in, this is my low voltage coming in from my house. Okay, this is the yellow wire hooked onto the condenser, and this is the yellow wire that goes into the furnace inside the house. This right here is your red, which is the red coming in for your transformer. Alright, alright, and this is breaking off with this. Okay, so which is this yellow, okay, that I use for the red. Now this is the common that I use for here. This is your common wire. Alright, you see how I wire knotted? I put in the other wire for the straight cool to work. So this is your yellow calling in. This is your yellow for the inside, and your common also for the inside, including your red, which is your 24 volts. Alright, we see here it's all tied in. Got this together right there. Breaks off to here, so it's coming from here to here, here to here to here. Probably could have did a little better job on hooking this up here. So this is my, yep, breaks off, goes to here into my red. Alright, I'm probably gonna have to fix this up here and tighten it up a little bit. Got to do a couple more things anyway. Alright, I'm gonna show you the inside now. Alright folks, this are the inside of the unit. You see here, that is our evaporator coil. And this is the furnace, the original furnace that was here. This is pretty old. I say it's probably about 15, 20 years old. You see these numbers here? This is my first time seeing a unit like this. Okay, so this right here is the transformer. This is the transformer and the controls to turn on the heat. Okay? And up here is a relay, and this relay is to turn on the fan. Okay, so this is your low voltage wiring that's coming in that goes straight to the thermostat, and I have here the condenser tied in here, also going in for the condensing unit, low voltage. Alright, what I did here is obviously this is for my heating going to my thermostat, which this gives the 24 volts. Tied it in with the white, and I used a blue. Alright, so one goes to the red and one goes to the white to the thermostat on this one. On this unit I got the red, okay, which is also tied into a flow switch, which is this particular flow switch, which I just put in right now. Okay, so this right here breaks off to the other red, which is coming into from inside the unit. Now I got the yellow, which I had the yellow outside tied in, and this is the common that goes into one side of this relay, and the green for the fan that goes to the other side that goes straight into the thermostat. As you can see, everything looks a little loose. I have to tighten everything up and put everything together. But for the meantime, just trying to show you guys what I did here. Now this is the first time I've seen this type of unit, so trying to figure this out was not too bad, but was able to do it. Down here we have the fan. See here? That's the fan. So if you see here, this unit is pretty big. I think it's the biggest furnace I've seen. Alright, now let me show you what I did at the thermostat for this connections. Okay, so now we're at the thermostat. Now, what I did over here to this thermostat is obviously I got my yellow. It's calling for the contactor outside, which is connected into the furnace, and then you got your green for your fan, obviously. Now this one had a, see that RH and RC had a jumper, okay? That jumper I took out, and the reason why you take this jumper out, and it literally displays it if you're using two transformers. Now this could, RH is obviously for red heat, and this is what turns on the heat mode from the thermostat. So I got that connected to RH to W, okay, and then the red, which was the red coming outside from the transformer, going in for the yellow to make this a complete circuit for the calling of the thermostat to the condenser for cool and for the furnace for heat. So that's how I hooked that up. So it wasn't too bad. I was able to figure it out. Like I said, just still learning. And if you guys got any input or anything to add on to what I missed or what I don't know, please give me some insight. Alright guys, I think that's about it. I'm going to wrap it up here, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Alright guys.